Hello guys, good morning. It's past 10 in the morning. So my plan is, uh, since past couple of days, I've been planning to open an street food cart business. But now, as I'm seeing, I have this enough space on the terrace that I can utilize it for. So before that, uh, I need to do few things first. I need to, and yeah, this is the road, guys. So this is the place, but yeah, the trouble is how people will come here. So I need to get some stairs so that people can come from here. From the road, I will advertise from there also. And yeah, I need to clean this space. Yeah, this, everything, so that I can arrange few tables here. And yeah, that will be enough for the start. Yeah, I'll pay some men to do this, or I'll do it myself. But yeah, this is so much of the shit here, so that I might need to take somebody's help. And yeah, after that I'll clean up the space first. I'll just wash it up, I'll clean it, and then I will what I had to do is buy some essentials, buy some stairs, buy some chairs, food, groceries, all the shit, gas cylinder, pan, and every shit that requires to run a you know food stall. Yeah, I have envisioned how it will go in my mind first. And yeah, I think it's practical, it's only practical, it's only visual. And yeah, whatever will happen, I won't see the result, what's gonna happen, until and unless I'll do it. And yeah, I think this is the only step that I can do. And yeah, before that, I also, the main reason also behind this is I want to learn cooking. And cooking is, yeah, that's the skill I want to learn, because yeah, I'm getting myself back into fitness, and I gotta make my own meals. So that's that. And before that, money, the first thing, I need to arrange it. I'll arrange it and do it in no time, as soon as possible. Yeah, guys. And on this wall, I'll try to, you know, do something, painting and all, so that the customers will have something to, look at. Or maybe, oh my god, or I also might, just now I got the idea that I might can also buy a projector, and so that I can just project shit here, maybe songs, movies, or whatever the shit, so that it will also be a free publicity. The people on the road also might be able to see what's on this wall. And yeah, people will be sitting here and they might watch some, cricket, whatever the shit, movies, songs. Oh my god, yeah, I also buy some lights here, because, and there are no walls, so I don't have money enough to buy the walls, because my plan is to, it's my plan, there is no money to buy some walls. And because I have no time, and I'm running short on money, so I will, in the daytime, maybe in the evening also, because there will not be any, you know what do we call, sunlight and dhoop. I don't know what's called dhoop in English, because in the morning it will be so hot. So in the evening, or and then mostly the plan is to run it in the night, evening till midnight, post midnight. Yeah, that I'll see. And yeah, let me think, guys, what else more I can do about this. And yeah, I think I'm quite confident about it. I'll buy some lights, decorate this place as aesthetic, as minimal. Requirements are minimal, aesthetic, under budget, cozy. That's subjective. We will see how it goes. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you. I gotta take a shower first. I did few push-ups, not few actually, 100 push-ups, 50 squats, and walked 1 hour in the morning, 7:30 till 8:45. Yeah, made a tea for myself. Now I will take a shower, go to temple, and then I will have my breakfast, and I will show you. Sorry, show you what am I saying. I will see you guys. Guys, this is Kal Bhairava Mandir. I came uh, I came here in the morning, just now, as I'm telling you right now. Yeah, people here are working, as you can see, because in next couple of weeks, maybe next week only. No, not next week. In the next month, in February. Yeah, there is a festival of this Kal Bhairava temple, so that's why these all our guys are working. Here, everything will be set up, and decoration, everything will be there. I am going to Devarapam village. Yeah, just have nothing to do. That's why. Okay. This was the place that I showed you previously, and yeah, our favorite place, our destination, guys. As you can see, yeah, I think you can see. Yeah, I showed it to you already. I went to temple. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, what I was talking to, the fest. In Marathi we call it Jatra. I don't know what's called in English Jatra. What's the another word for Jatra? I don't know. Maybe, yeah, fair. Yeah, fair. There will be a fair on 2nd of the 5th that obviously I will show it to you. And that's that. See the view, guys. Just okay, you. This road is so damn fucked up. See, guys. It's like I used to drink whiskey earlier a lot, but it's been couple of months, years I haven't drunk whiskey. Usually I go for Old Monk, and if not, another kind of rum, because that suits my mind, brain, body overall. Yeah, I don't know where I'm even walking towards, but yeah, this is the road. Now let's walk towards. Oh my god, yeah, not oh my god. Yeah, let's walk from this road and let's go to another side of that bridge. Yeah, let's go there. This is the view. This is me. And let's go here for a while to see the place, chill place. Only if I had enough money, I might be here smoking some weed. Yeah, what a place, guys. A view nearby this place. Oh, I didn't show you the place. This place. I don't know, but I love nature, guys. What's more fun in this place? Only if this place will be clean, and if this place was in Goa, they would have earned so ton on this place, because this is a place this can be turned into a motel. You guys must know what motel is. And yeah, this is the river view. This can be easily monetized, but only there has to be some vision to the owner of this land, or he has to be me, otherwise. Yeah, that's that. But yeah, nice place. Riverside view. This can turn into a legit business, but guys. So that's what people stop us, because they don't think much. Yeah. Yeah, now I'll go for a walk, because the road, I don't know exact road, where does it go. I'll find a road, I will reach to the bridge, and I will show it to you, because guys, this road is so fucked up. I don't even know where does this road leads to, as this road isn't going anywhere. I don't want to go ahead, and rather I'll go nearby this river, because that's more convenient, I would say. Let's jump. Yeah, that was easy. As I'm living my life as if I'm in some other kind of country, but I like to travel, be adventurous. All what we need is just a mobile and a charging, full charged phone, and a high-speed internet. That's it, guys. That is enough for a man to be happy. What does else is needed? I see the river. I'm walking by river. As you can see, we are coming closer to the bridge. When I went today for a walk, there were those fishermen catching fish early in the morning. Yeah, guys, we are going in this way. this way. We're going in this way and we will reach to that side of that bridge. We'll see, guys. Guys, I will go up till that bridge and I will show you the view of that side of that bridge. I'll catch you soon. Guys, this is the place wherein I used to, smoke some weed. This was the tree. We used to sit over that tree, and there is a nice little space. We used to smoke weed there. Yeah, opposite to this is the view. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Yeah. I just went into the flashback and I remember those days. Pretty good days, but only difference in those days and today is money, bro. I had money back then, but yeah, now I'm broke as fuck. Yeah, which won't be the scenario for long because I'm starting new business and couple of shit, which I'm pretty confident on. Guys, we have reached to the bridge, which I will show you right now. I'm feeling okay with vlogging because yeah. I see. Oh my god, how will I go from this to there? This is the bridge, guys. Yeah, we will go from this side to that side. To that side. Let's go. Guys, class bug. I miss drinking. As there are some people enjoying there. We'll go there and I will tell you. Guys, the water is so fucking chill, man. I will show you the place where me and my friend. This is the place. As we used to jump from there to there, and I used to swim over this, river. This is nice place to chill. I used to come here often to smoke. Obviously, what else do I do other than smoke? Because I am an unemployed motherfucker. So as you, you wouldn't be even watching at the first place. Guys, it was nice that short of the breath. Now, guys, I will go home and let's see with the day. See you. As I shared with you my plan for this terrace business, that's street food cart business. But yeah, for that I went to the bank. I told them this and that. But yeah, after all, it all comes down with the civil score, which I have at my very worst, which is somewhere around 500 to 600. So that's that about that. Sorry, what am I even saying, guys? Ignore my English. Just focus on the context. So yeah, before that, I need to clear some loans. It's not that much, but yeah, it's some of it. Somewhere around 1 and 1.5 lakhs. Yeah, for that I might need to go to Goa or Mumbai. Nearby is Goa, so I am planning of visiting Goa because the sky and the land is same everywhere. Only the difference is what the people makes the difference. Yeah, both are. I'm actually comfortable anywhere, anywhere around the world. Yeah, I gotta find something, some place to stay, food for survival, and money for expenses. Yeah, that's that. And for maybe 1 month, 2 months, let's see. I need to get, gather up some money, pay up my loans. Then I'll start fresh, get a new loan, and do it all the things that I have planned already. Yeah, it might take some time, but yeah, I'm patient enough for the things because there's nothing to be hurry about. If you plan things so well, there is no need to rush. Isn't it right? Plan so well all the things that you don't have to rush. So have some patience, have some faith in you. That's what I'm telling. That's what I keep telling myself, and things will fall right at your place. Exactly. Yeah, that's that, guys. Now, like yesterday, I'm watching that series that I need to watch, Patal Lok. You guys should check it out. I'll watch few episodes, and I will see you guys in the evening. Good evening, guys. It's 5:50 in the evening. Look at the sunset from my terrace. See the view, guys. What I was doing was I was planning how can I decorate this place for that business. I was watching Patal Loks season 2. I watched 2 of the episodes. I still have few of the episodes to finish. Now, as usual, I'm going for a evening walk. I'll walk for just like yesterday till 7:30, and yeah, I will see how the day goes so far. Yeah, let's go for a walk now. I will see you. Hello, guys. Good evening. As you can see, I'm walking on the road. At evening, it's around 6:30 in the evening. Yeah, usually I came a little ahead, wherein I used to regularly walk. This is the next village of my village. This is, yeah, it's also in Konkan. I don't need to tell the name of the city each time. Yeah, I'll try to go till a while there, then I'll go return because it's about to get dark. So yeah, it's not like I can't walk in dark, but yeah, it's okay to be at your own space because everything is territorial, guys. We are all animals. You might have seen even dogs, any wild animal, they be territorial. Yeah, this is, you can see, this is the bridge. Yeah, you can see the scenario. This is the road. Yeah, that is the beauty of Konkan, guys. Every village is carrying its own beauty. Yeah, also one of the relatives lives there, but yeah, I don't like to go to the relatives as such. I be by myself only all the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. Now I think I should go return now because yeah, one day I'll try to go up to the hill because yeah, one fine day. At that day I might need to, let's cross the road, guys. Watch left and right and then cross the road because life is awesome and you got only one life. It's so fucking peaceful, man, at this evening, at this time of the day. If I was at Mumbai or Goa, this must be the high time wherein the people must be, catching trains and all. There are 2 ladies coming this way. This is I don't know what does this is called in English, but yeah, in English it's called hay, guys. Hay, not H-E-Y, it's H-A-Y. It's dried, leaves, grass actually. I don't know what does it use for, but yeah, people collected it and yeah, they stack it up. Oh yeah, what I was telling, yeah, if this was the time in Mumbai or Goa, people be, in the rush. They might be catching train to go to home after finishing their duties and all. But yeah, as you can see, it's chill time. There's nothing chill time than evening. It's chill basically. I like to be at village doesn't mean I don't like to stay in metro cities. Yeah, I like to be at other places. Even if I go anywhere in the world, I do the same. I do the same also everywhere. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, talking about this vlogging thing, I'm getting comfortable day by day. But yeah, only the thing that's stopping me. Yeah, I'm also trying to improve my vocality, my tone, my voice, and everything. And also, yeah, I try to ignore all the as much as I can. But yeah, sometimes we all are human. We get distracted or awkward. That's, I guess this is a part of the process. No man has ever skipped this process. Yeah, this is what I need to go through, and which I think I will. And yeah, let's walk further. I'll walk. I'll watch some video. I was watching some videos, and also I finished 2 of the episodes of the Patal. Few are remaining. And yeah, I'll walk now, guys. I'll catch you in a while. Guys, one more thing just came in my mind right now, that the solution for being awkward while vlogging is facing it. There is no cure to this. If you feel awkward, feel awkwardness. Just completely feel the awkwardness. If you feel shame, just feel shame, guys. Because last year I sold my whole shame because I used to drink and smoke and like a maniac. Back then I didn't care about anything, but now as I'm sober now, I don't know why, but I care about this shittiest thing which doesn't even matter in the long run. But yeah. So the plan means the solution that I think is that feel awkwardness. If you feel like you're getting uncomfortable in shooting in front of people, shoot it. Let's see what's happen. Just push past that horizon. And yeah, let's just for 1 or 2 days, just try this shit and see what exactly happens. I don't wanna die. Does anyone wanna kill you? No, right? So yeah, that's that. And I'll try this shit now only. That's that I have to share with you. I'll see you guys in a while. Yeah, guys, I am still walking. It's about to be getting dark, quite dark. Yeah, I'm feeling okayish. Yeah. So what I was talking, this awkwardness that I feel while shooting, while people are around me. The only and one and only solution there's exist is that just you can't skip that. You can just go through that. Just go through it and just see what's the worst gonna happen. Whatever in life, most of the things we imagine the worstest. I don't know if this is one form of worst. Most of the cases we imagine the worst case scenario in our mind, but in reality it's nothing like that. It is like that, but not in that extent that we imagine the case would be like. Yeah, I hope we are on the same page since day one. Yeah, if not, there's no point. It's no point for you to be here. You can find somebody else whom you get aligned with. There are plenty of the people in the world, obviously. I'm one of them, obviously. And yeah, so you can't skip the awkwardness. All what you can do is just go through it. No motherfucker has ever skipped that phase. So can't you? You're not special. You might think, people like to think that they are special. Be normal. We all are normal. We all are normal. Just see, it's pretty dark here. These guys are waiting for something. Yeah. Only if I had a bike. I also love motorbike riding. But yeah, there's no money to buy even a cigarette. Where the money will be to buy a bike. Yeah, but not one day, pretty soon I will have it for me. For life. Yes. Bike is emotion for most of the boys. Most of the boys you might have experienced that. Even a boy who has got or recent a bike for themselves, they might feel the emotion that the bike is close to their heart. I had a unicorn. It was not mine actually. It was my uncle's. I used to use it. But yeah, he sold it, which I totally didn't like at all. But yeah, who am I to have a say at least? Who even am I to have a say? Nobody, right? Yeah, people will be looking at me. I think I might need to be comfortable with people seeing at me. And yeah, for them, because I need 4 to 5 days to digest the fact that yeah, I'm doing. This is a very foreign thing to me also. I'm also even a little surprised that this is Prathamesh is doing. Yeah, so does two people might be thinking that what the hell this guy is up to, what the hell is even doing, who the hell he thinks he is. But yeah, they might also need some time to digest. Maybe, maybe not. I don't care. They shouldn't. Most of the fears, demons are only in our mind. They exist because we feed to the monsters. Otherwise, if you don't, a thought, a thought has the potential. Single thought has the potential to become a monster or a great something great. There are shoulders on our both shoulders. There is an angel and there is a demon. Whatever we feed a thought to it, we make it stronger. A thought comes in my mind. If we keep on thinking about more about it, it has the potential to grow in our brain. Yeah, we give power to the thoughts or per se to people. But at superficial level, if we can see with a broader perspective, we all are same. Not just human, we all animals. From ant till elephant, from dinosaurs to human, we all share the same consciousness. But yeah, we on the different plane as per the laws of nature. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, I'll be confident. I'll try to be more confident. Yeah, I don't want to fake it because I'll try to be me as real as I can be. Well, I don't know it can be. I'll be me. That's that. And yeah, let it flow. I'll let it flow. I have nothing to say much than this. I hope you understood the slightest aspect of what I was trying to convey to you. Maybe more about it. It's not like I'm conveying any shit to you. I'm not that Ayat Baba. I'm none of this shit. Maybe in some sort of way you might understood. If you like any point, you can buy it, or else I'm telling it to myself only. It's me. It's only me. Give me some time, guys. It's me only. Brainwashing, not brainwashing. It's just me rewiring my brain. Yeah, rewiring is the right word. It's only me rewiring my own brain, my own thought process, my mentality by talking with you. It's not literally with camera, because yeah, technology, we have the technology, so why not make the most of it. You guys even can too. If you got any idea, there is no lookout. There is nothing in this world. There is nothing. No motherfucker on this earth is gonna stop you from achieving, from doing whatever the shit you want to do. It's only you. Most of the time, it's only you. We sometimes we don't be. Most of the time, we don't be friend to ourselves. We be the enemy to ourselves. We be so harsh to ourselves. And I've been there, guys. I have been there. I've been at my worst. I've been in my biggest enemy for a couple of years, and it doesn't make sense. At the end, it's either death or misery, and both of the shit are not a good place to be at. So you have a life unless and until you are alive, unless and until you are breathing this shit air. Sorry, not shit, air. You gotta live life to the fullest. Every day could be the last day. I might even die right now. What if the truck comes on and ran over me? We have no control over the things that we should not be worrying about. Worry about the things that you have control over, and that is most of the time it's you only. You don't have control over other people. Similarly, I don't have control to other people's mouth. They might call shit to me. I can't do shit about it. But to ignore, yeah, I can protect my own serenity. That's what matters the most. And yeah, that is it, guys. That's it only. You matter. Doesn't matter if you matter to somebody else or not to your parents, your girlfriend, or your friends. No, motherfucker. You matter for yourself. And that's that. Period. Fucking period, guys. That is it, guys. I'll walk furthermore and I'll catch you soon. Yeah, we came back to the same road, our favorite road, which is nearby my home. It's around 7:15 in the evening. I have almost finished my walk. I'll walk after dinner for half an hour maybe. And before that, because yeah, we have nothing else to do but to walk and think, because this is active. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, what I just thought came in my mind right now. Yeah, we all got the same face. We all have the same face. But yeah, only physical aspects of our face are different. Everybody shares the same consciousness. Even if somebody hates on me, it really reflects that they have some of the hate which they see in me towards them. Means we all are each other's mirror, to be honest. If you see, when I was rehab, There we used to do that. Everybody, this action was so fucking Indian, guys. So everybody, yeah, we used to tell each other's mistake, be it so small, so ignorable. I don't know even if this is a word, but yeah, every small mistake we used to share. Less like, yeah, t-shirt is full, yeah, clothes are dirty, yeah. So that means that we all are each other's mirror, and yeah, there was no we were not allowed to watch at the mirror in the place wherein I was staying at, because yeah, I don't know, because maybe they might have some their own reasons, but yeah, it was good somehow. So the thing is, we all are each other's mirror. So if I'm seeing something wrong in somebody else, that means I have the same flaw in me. That's why if I had not the same flaw, there wouldn't be any reason I might be saying that thing. Yeah, that's the reason, right? If I can see something in you, if I can see something good or bad in you, that means I can recognize this thing, because I've been living with that thing my whole life, right? I don't know if this is even if you are able to relate to this, because I'm not very good at explaining things. So please try to, please try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. I hope you might be, if you have been watching me since day one, you might be connecting with me what I'm saying, because this is who I am, guys. This is what my thought process is, whether you like it or not. Yeah, I can't change it. I can't help it but change it, right? So that's so we all are each other's mirrors. So try to see good or bad things in you, in people. If they are your best ones, try to correct them and improve each other's lives, because that's improving is the life, guys. Change is the only mandatory thing in life. That's it, guys, because there is nothing except change in life. Improvement, change, growth, these are the things we should live by. We should be dying to get improvement in life. What's the point in staying mediocre? I'm asking you, yeah, tell me. What's the point staying a mediocre throughout your life? You're born, you live your life as a mediocre, you'll be dead. What a life to, what a waste of life. So why not you have some blood flowing in your veins? Why not make most of it? I just said why not a couple of times. That was unnecessary, but yeah. What am I doing this for? For growth, obviously. Maybe in 10 years, I might laugh at this video, watching it back then, because of course, we improve day by day, whether we do it voluntarily or not. A baby learns to walk eventually. Even if it doesn't mean like that he keeps on falling till he becomes an adult. It can't be like that. Mother Earth, life teaches us everything. I hope you are resonating with what are the shit you might call I am trying to share with you. That is it for now, guys. I'll go home, I'll get fresh and have some snacks. I'll see you guys. Yeah, bye.